Hi, class. I'm really excited to be reading this story today in our Springboard curriculum. This is the second story. It's called My Superpowers. It goes along with that stories of change that we are reading about. And so this one, I thought we'd try out our metacognitive markers in a digital format. So on your document, you have all of these icons that you can use to mark your text. So there's a whole pile of exclamation points, which are your reactions, your keys, which are key details, your question marks, which are where you would mark a question that you have, and the star, which we're going to mark with a comment or a thought that you might have. If there's a word that you don't know, I want you to use these boxes over here. They are a highlight box. So normally we would highlight our text, but since we don't have a highlighter, we're going to use this. Now this box, you can drag it right over to the word that you don't know. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. If you don't want to use the box, you're welcome to use the highlighter color and highlight the text this way. Although that's a little bit harder because I have embedded this text so you can't change it. All right, so if you forget what those icons mean, there's a little direction over here. If you need more, remember to click on the icon and go File, Copy, and then you hit File, Paste, or you can use those cool keyboard tricks we talked about, Command C for copy, Command V for Velcro or paste. There are 2 pages that you're going to go to when you're reading. So you might be wondering, Mrs. Freeman, how can I read this? This is really too small. Well, let me show you. You can come up here to where the magnifying glass is, and you can click the down arrow and you can zoom it into 100%. Now, if that is still not enough for you, again, you can zoom it in even more if you'd like. So when you're reading this, you can read it and then move the marker wherever you have that question or wherever you have that thought. All right, and be prepared to share a couple of these places that you marked in your text with your group. If you have any questions, please raise your hand or send me a message in the chat box.